In the heart of the city, where inspiration strikes fast and hard, Clay Universe ensures artists never miss a moment of creation. In the peace of the countryside where time moves slowly, Clay Universe keeps artists grounded in their craft, one delivery at a time. In the chaos of the city's pulse, when the night comes alive with creativity, Clay Universe ensures artists never run out of inspiration. In the most remote corners of the earth, where silence speaks louder than words, Clay Universe ensures that inspiration knows no boundaries. In the hands of the future, where every spark of imagination grows, Clay Universe delivers the tools to turn dreams into reality. In the heart of tradition, where craftsmanship is passed down through generations, Clay Universe brings modern convenience to timeless art. No matter where you are or what you dream of creating, Clay Universe delivers the clay that shapes your world.